Hello guys! In this lesson, we're going to talk about how to create high-converting images for Pinterest. Let's get started. Images are the most essential part of Pinterest. It is the most important part of the platform where anyone who uses an attractive and interesting pin can drive more traffic to their website and increase conversion. Your images, referred to as pins, are what makes or breaks your brand's exposure on the platform. If you create high-quality image and upload them on your profile and combine it with the right keywords that your potential audiences are searching for, then your image are more likely to convert into website traffic, followers, or even sales for ready buyers on Pinterest. To create high-converting images, you can follow these tips that you can apply on your pins. Use the right keywords for your file name. When you upload your pins on Pinterest, you must name that pin with a keyword or keyword phrases that you think people will use to land on that pin. Don't upload pins with the names like image123456.jpg. The name of your images is relevant for your pins to be discovered on Pinterest. Once people discover your pins, you can expect your pins to be saved by other pinners. Use your brand's color. When you're creating your own pins, make sure to use the same combination of colors that you have used for your previous pins. Maintain that color on your pins because that will be your branding. When people see your pin on their feed, they can easily identify that they have seen that pin before and they will know that it is your brand's pin. Next, make your text easy to read. Your text must stand out on your pin. It should be a font that is clearly readable and big enough to make it easier to understand what your pin's content is all about. Most of the time, pinners just glance at a pin and they will only click on a pin that can attract them. And if the text overlay will help them understand what the pin is all about. Next, use the right tools to create your images. You can use free tools where you can edit the pins that you can use and upload on your Pinterest account. Some popular apps already have a predefined image size that you can use on Pinterest. Use it to make it easier for you to create a pin for your content. You can also find free stock images that you can use in one of these free tools, or you can go to pexels.com and search for photos that you need. Some tools that you can use to create your Pinterest pins are Snappa, Canva, or Designer.com. You can check their website and sign up for free. Try out their app and create your pins. Make sure to apply your color branding, the text overlay having the font size and font style that you'll be using for all of your pins. Your pins have more chances of getting discovered, saved, and repinned, resulting in high conversions. Remember that when uploading images on your profile, you need to rename the file name to the keywords that your target audiences will be using to discover your pin. Use your brand's color, font size, and font style, making it uniform, and it will allow your followers to recognize your pins and associate it to your brand. Use free tools to make it easier to create high-converting images for you. Now that you know how to create high-converting images, we can now proceed to the next topic, choosing the right keywords for the right season. I'll see you there.
Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like and subscribe and go to technicforce.com for more tools and training.